Tragic story of Pamela Anderson. Pam opens up about her trauma. As one insider tells People, Pam and Tommy will take viewers back to a period in Pamela Anderson's life that was very terrible. When an angry ex-employee stole a safe that contained an almost 1 hour-long sex recording from Anderson and then-husband Tommy Lee, the tape was leaked to the public, causing a major scandal.
IAG is now selling that tape worldwide illegally without my or Tommy's consent.
There's a sense that the show is re-exploiting Pamela. A person who was familiar with the issue at the time said following the premiere of Hulu's 8-episode limited series on Wednesday, "It's unfair that she's being put to this stress again, like reopening a wound." The insider says it was an extremely traumatizing circumstance. The source continues, "Respect for Pamela is well deserved. She's a mother and a human being. You get the feeling it's all a sham. It's her life, and she should be able to make the call on whether or not it becomes a marketable good for sale to the general public." The information continues to come from the source. After she appeared on Baywatch and married Lee, Anderson became a household name. There were paparazzi outside of her house when the leaked sex tape occurred. She didn't need any more attention. She had already had it. According to the source, so it appears, her Playboy cover was a conscious choice that she was always aware of, a source claims. But she had no say in the matter of someone taking her intimate home video. A thief who steals a home movie from you is both unlawful and a breach of your privacy.
We never gave them the right to sell the videotape or distribute the videotape anywhere in the world or show it on.
That was her personal space. Pam and Tommy premiered on Wednesday on Hulu with the first 3 episodes available to stream immediately. They were married on a Mexican beach in 1995 in the miniseries starring Lily James as Pam and Sebastian Stan as Tommy, which chronicles their 4-day relationship before the wedding and the subsequent uproar over the sex tape. To prevent the video's release at the time, Anderson and Lee blamed Internet Entertainment Group, who distributed the film. However, the video was still leaked to the public after a private settlement was struck between them. Never heard of it before. Not a single penny was mine.
Further, we have not received 1 penny or signed an agreement permitting them to merchandise this tape.
It was a snatched item. We struck an agreement to put an end to all of the pranks. Watch What Happens Live in 2015 had this to say about Anderson. "At 7 months pregnant with Dylan, I decided to stop attending court because I thought the stress was damaging my unborn child's health. Those horny, crazy lawyers are no longer deposing me. The last thing I want to talk about is anything related to my sex life," she stated. Before filming began on the show, James, 32, stated in a cover story for Net-a-Porter that she had gone out to Anderson to see if she would be willing to be part of it. James, on the other hand, reported that she never heard back. "I had hoped she would be part of the production, as much as I'd like it to be otherwise," James informed the media. "My only goal was to do justice to the subject and portray Pamela as accurately as possible. As long as we were filming, I hoped she would be able to be in touch." Though Anderson has not commented on the show, her friend Courtney Love didn't hold back her feelings while addressing the series on Facebook last May. "I find this so effing outrageous," Love wrote in her post. "When Pam and Tommy sex tape was out, myself were making a record, and the lone women in many recording studios in LA. All the staff, engineers, producers, owners were watching the sex tape with huge schadenfreude guffaws. It was disgusting. I banned anyone discussing it. It destroyed my friend Pamela's life, utterly." Love also called out James, writing, "My heart goes out to Pammy," further causing her complex trauma. "And shame on Lily James, whoever the F she is." So, this was today's video. Please like, share, comments, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.